Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all? Today I am showing you how to make a slipper for a baby girl. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am using white color of yarn. Chain 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I chain 14, skip 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one, make 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the rest except last one. Now I'm here to the last one. Make 5 double crochet into the last chain. 1, 2, 3. Make double crochet into the all stitches except the last one. Now this is my last chain. Do 2 double crochet in it and make a slip stitch in the third. 1, 2, 1, 2, and this one is the third. Make a slip stitch. This is my first row. Now chain 1. In the same stitch make single crochet. Again in the same stitch single crochet. Now in the next make 2 single crochet. And in the 4 stitches make single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in next 2 make half double crochet. Next 2 half double crochet, and in the next 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make 2 times double crochet in each stitch in 5 stitches. Now I did my 2 double crochet in one stitch for 5 times, yani in 5 stitches. Now make 4 double crochet in 4 stitches and do the same pattern which I did before this side. 4 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 4 single crochet, and last 2 make 2 single crochet. In last 2 stitches make 2 single crochet and make a slip stitch. Now chain 2 and in the same stitch make double crochet. Once again in the next make 2 double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet, and now make double crochet for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stitches. In 11 stitches make double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in 8 stitches. 2 double crochet in 8 stitches. This one is my third, so do it for 8 stitches. Do double crochet in all stitches except last 3. Now my last 3 stitches, make 2 double crochet in 3 stitches, 2 double crochet, and this one is my last stitch, and make a, now I make a slip stitch all over the sole. Now I will make upper part of the shoe. Let's go. First of all, I will chain 3, 1 2 3, and now insert in the last one and make a slip stitch. Now 1 2 3 4 and make a treble crochet, 1 2 and 3, insert 2 2 2 and 2, again 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, make 1 2 3 8 treble crochet into the circle. Now I did my 8 treble crochet. Now chain 1 2 and turn your work, and in the first treble crochet make half double crochet, in the next treble make half double crochet, do 8 half double crochet, and now this one is my last one. Now again chain 2, turn your work and make half double crochet into the 8 stitches. Now I will check, because I will do same this pattern this side, so I will see that it is not too big. No, it's okay. Now I will do single crochet into the 8 stitches. Now start from the other side. Look, I complete this side. Now I will start my other side. One, two, three, 4. Now treble crochet, 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3. No, sorry, 1 2 and 3. 1 2 3. Make as it is. I did it before, so I will be back. So I did 8 treble crochet here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now chain 2 and turn your work and make half double crochet this side, for 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and now this one is my 8th. Chain 2, turn your work and make 8 stitches here and 1 single crochet from the other side. Now it will look like this. So from the middle, this is the middle of my shoe sole, so count 1 2 3 4 5 6 from this side to this side, and from the middle skip 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will stitch it with the 6 ones and till to the 8th stitch. Stitch it with the yarn. Now I complete my upper part from the front side. Now I will make from the back side. So the middle of the shoe sole, this is the middle, so I will skip 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. From 7th stitch I will start my back side, and 7 from this side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I will put a stitch marker here, and start my work from this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I will start my work from 7th. Now chain 1 and the same make half double crochet, and make half double crochet in all stitches. Till to the end. Now I reach to the last one. I will remove my stitch marker and do my half double crochet into the next stitch. Now chain 1, and from this side I will I will do single crochet to the end. Make single crochet in all stitches till to the end, and from the other side, when I will start from this side, I will do half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single. So do it for 1 2 3 4 half double crochet. Okay, 4 row. Now I finished my this row single crochet. I did 1 2 3 half double crochet and 1 2 3 single crochet. So I will make a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now I finished my 17 chain. Now make half double crochet into the 3rd chain and make it till to the end. Half double crochet, half double crochet till to the end of strap. I reach to my end. Now I will make a slip stitch to the second chain, second stitch, and cut the yarn. Make a slip stitch and make it tight here. So my shoe will be ready in a moment. So my shoe is ready. put a button here, and this is my cute little sandal for 0 to 3 months. I hope you will like it. Like and subscribe my channel. Will you see in next video inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.